Hello, welcome to this lecture video. In this video, I am going to explain oscillations and waves under which problems. So let us look at the problems comes under oscillations and waves, which comes under module 1 of engineering physics prescribed by VTU. So problem number 1, find the frequency of oscillations of a free particle executing simple harmonic motion of amplitude 0.35 meter if the velocity, that is maximum velocity it can attain, is 220 meter per second. Here the value of A is 0.35 meter and V max is equal to 220 meter per second. So here we have to calculate the frequency, that is mu. We know that omega is equal to V, that is mu max by A, and omega is equal to 2 pi mu, such that V is equal to mu max by 2 pi A. By substituting the value of mu max and the value of A, that is 220 by 2 pi into 0.35, on simplification we will get, that is the value of mu as 100.04 hertz, which is equal to 100 hertz. Now let us look at the problem number 2. Find the displacement at the end of 3 seconds and also the amplitude of oscillations of a body executing simple harmonic motion in a straight line if its period is 10 seconds and if its velocity is 1 meter per second at the time 2 seconds after crossing the equilibrium position. Assume that there are no resistive forces. Here the given data is t is equal to 10 seconds and v is equal to 1 meter per second and t is considered as 2 seconds, and here we have to calculate the value of a at t is equal to 3 seconds. And using the formula, that is mu is equal to a omega cos omega t, so omega is equal to 2 pi by t, we get a is equal to mu t by 2 pi cos 2 pi t by t. So on simplification we will get the value of a as 5.15 meter. Also the value of x is equal to a sin omega t, that is equal to a sin 2 pi t by t. So on simplification we will get the value of x as 4.898 meter. The problem number 3 is find the frequency of vibration of a sonometer wire which reaches a maximum velocity of 6.28 meter per second when its amplitude of vibration is 1 centimeter. Assume the vibration to be free. Here the value of mu max is equal to 6.28 meter per second and the value of A is 1 centimeter, that is 1 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So what is the value of P? That is frequency mu. So using the formula omega is equal to V max by A or omega is equal to 2 pi mu, so we get, that is mu is equal to, that is V max by 2 pi A. On simplification we will get 6.28 by 2 pi into 10 to the power minus 2, that is equal to 99.95 hertz, or it is equal to or equivalent to 100 hertz. That's what the frequency of sonometer wire. The problem number 4 is evaluate the resonance frequency of a spring of force constant 2467 Newton per meter carrying a mass of 100 gram. So here the value of K given as 2467 Newton per meter and M is equal to 100 grams, that is 100 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. So here we have to calculate what is frequency. So we know that omega is equal to square root of k by m and further omega is equal to 2 pi mu. So mu is given by 1 by 2 pi into square root of k by m. So substitute the values. So 1 by 2 pi into square root of 2467 by 100 into 10 to the power minus 3. On simplification, the value of mu is equal to 24.998 hertz, that is equivalent to 25 hertz. So this is what the solution for the given problem. Now the another problem, that is given the force constant as 9.8 Newton per meter for a spring. Estimate the number of oscillations it would complete in 1 minute if it is set for oscillations with a load of 89.37 grams. Assume there are no external forces acting on it. Here K is equal to 9.8 Newton per meter, M is 89.37 grams or 89.37 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg, and T is equal to 1 meter, that is 1 minute, that is nothing but 60 seconds. So what is the value of N that we have to calculate now? So using the formula omega is equal to square root of K by M and omega is equal to 2 pi mu. So mu is nothing but 1 by 2 pi into square root of K by M. So substitute the value of K and M here. So on simplification, the value of mu is equal to 1.67 hertz, or N is equal to mu into T, that is equal to 1.667 into 60, that is equal to 100 oscillations. That's what the value of N. A mass of 4.3 gram is attached to a spring of force constant 17 Newton per meter. This mass spring system is executing simple harmonic oscillations. Find out the frequency of the external force which excites resonance in the system. Ignore the mass of the spring. Here the value of K given as 17 Newton per meter and M is equal to 4.3 gram or 4.3 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. And we know that omega is equal to square root of K by M or omega is equal to 2 pi mu. Further, mu is nothing but 1 by 2 pi into square root of K by M. So substitute the values of K and M, that is 1 by 2 pi into square root of 17 by 4.3 into 10 to the power minus 3. On simplification, we will get the value of mu as 10.03 hertz, or it is equivalent to 10 hertz. A mass of 200 gram is attached to a spring of negligible mass and the system is set for vibrations. If the damping constant for a system is 0.16 kg per second, then what will be the time required for the vibration amplitude to decay to 1 by E times of its starting amplitude? Estimate the number of vibrations the body executes. Meanwhile, if the force constant is 126 Newton per meter, assume the damping to be small. Given M is equal to 200 grams, that is 200 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg, R is 0.16 kg per second and K is 126 Newton per second. And it is observed that A is equal to capital A by small e, and what is T and what is omega. In damped vibration, amplitude is equal to A into 10 to the power minus R by 2m into T. If A be the amplitude at T is equal to 0, then capital A is equal to AE into AE to the power of minus R by 2m into T. So finally we are going to get A into 10 to the power minus 0, that is nothing but A. If T be the time taken for amplitude to Tk of about 1 by E times A, then 1 by E times capital A is equal to A into e to the power minus R by 2m into T. Then e to the power minus R by 2m into T is equated as e to the power minus 1. So we get minus R by 2m into T is equal to minus 1. Therefore T dash is equal to 2m by R, that is 2 into 200 into 10 to the power minus 3 by 0.16, that is equated to 2.5 seconds. Also, using omega is equal to square root of K by M, we get square root of 126 by 200 into 10 to the power minus 3, that will be equated as 25.1 hertz or equivalent to 25 hertz.